I'm gonna put on some music. Well, at least we made it to our cabin. But our only car is totally wrecked. We ain't got no way out now. Just be grateful we made it here. I totally agree with you on that one, Bag. You're very smart.
I'm gonna kill some stupid teenagers while they're making out. Ooh.
Well, that was a real scary movie. Oh, that came from the window. I'm gonna go check that out. Can I help you, ma'am? I'm just gonna go outside and see what you're talking about. Well, hello.
To be honest, the reason I got you over here is just I was gonna kill you, alright?
No, I mean, like, I can already tell.
Oh, really? How?
I mean, you got the chainsaw
I kinda
hands
made
and
that too.
everything.
I'm gonna kill you now, okay?
Oh, okay. Okay, I should be safe in here. What the heck is going on over there? Oh, nothing, just,
Darn it, it's daytime. I gotta go back to the forest.
That was a pretty fun vacation, right, Bottle?
He's coming back on Thanksgiving.
Who's he?
I don't want to talk about it.